Paul Hamilton here. We're in Keynote on my iPhone. I'm going to create a new choose a theme. And what I'm going to do is I'll go with a blank template and I'll just get rid of those text fields by dragging my finger down, highlighting, selecting all, and cutting or deleting them. So what we're going to do here is we're going to bring in a live video. So when we go up to Keynote, we add and we go to live video, it will by default show the face to camera. So what I want to do is go up to my paintbrush. I want to click on my default camera here. And then I want to go up to my add and add a new one. So what I'm going to do is press plus. I'll call this maybe rear. Maybe I need to spell that correctly, so I better do that. We'll make that our rear. And as you scroll down a little bit, you can see me. Hello, how you going, everyone? Yep. You can turn the camera around. So what you want to do is you want to do your back camera. So once you've done that, you can actually press done and press add. And you've now got a rear camera sitting in your Keynote. So what we want to do is go to paintbrush, go to arrange, and then we want to toggle off the constrained proportions. That way we can actually change the width. We can do a little bit of reshaping with our video here. We'll make it big. We'll make it actually fill up probably half of our page here. And we'll drag that across. Now, the reason why I'm using my iPhone is because when I screen record this video, it will allow me to have that kind of longer dimensions in the ratio, which is much better than the iPad itself. So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to copy that video. So I've just tapped it once and copied it, and I'm going to paste it. So now I've got my VR kind of compatible two videos that are working in unison here. I'll spend a little bit of time kind of getting them nice and close. Now, this is a lot of trial and error. So what you'll do is you'll change width, you'll have a play around with shapes, and you'll do all of that. This is just me thinking out loud. So please take this further and learn from my mistakes. I've just done this once. It seems pretty cool. I'm going to change my background to black. I'll just double check here. Yep, so it's all here nicely. I'll just do some rearranging so it's nice and kind of mirrored with them. That's looking pretty good. And all I'm going to do is press play and record my screen to make my movie. So I'm going to press play at the top. It'll go to full screen. And then I'm going to actually press my screen recorder and record that as a video as I do my walkthrough. So you can see here it's live. If I drag my finger down from the top right-hand corner, I can actually, I can do a little bit of acting out with my kind of 3D depth in regard to my video, which is pretty cool. You can see here I'm already recording, but that in essence is what we're actually doing, is we're creating those two live videos running in unison, back cameras, filling up our screens, and then screen recording a little aspect. And then obviously that video is going to go into your Google Cardboard or your VR and just have a look at how it looks. Make sure that you move slowly, that you're not moving quickly with your video. You'll learn a lot as you go through, but I thought that was a little experiment you might like to try. Paul Hamilton here from Using Technology Better.